Demonstration Center. So in this video we will start with our 10th class chapter number Maths chapter of class 10, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this chapter you have given a two equation in which two variables are present. In the mathematics the variables are x, y, z, s, u, v, t and with their coefficients. For example, I am writing the equations. Let us suppose the equation is given to be 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. So this is the linear equation. Linear equation is that equation in which a variable has the degree 1. If this equation is given 2x square plus 3y is equals to 2, this is not a linear equation because in this equation x when power of x is 2 and which is the degree, its degree will become 2. So this is not a linear equation. Linear equation is that in that equation in which variables have the degree 1. So in this equation x has the power 1, y is also having the power 1. So this is a linear equation with the variables, two variables are present in the equation x and y. If you are given the equation 2x plus 3x is equals to 2, this is not a linear equation in two variables because variables are same. X and x, these are both are the same variables, and no doubt it has a linear equation. Degree of x is 1, but this is not having a two variables. The variable is 1, so this is not a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation is that equation in which two variables are present and the degrees are 1. So this is the linear equation in two variables. So the chapter is pair of linear equation. Two linear equation in two variables are given, and you have to solve that equation with the different methods. Suppose you are given with x plus 3y is equals to 1. So this is the first equation and this is the second. These types of two equations you have given, and you have to solve and calculate the values of x and y by the different methods, that is substitution method, elimination, by substitution or elimination method, which is already uploaded on the channel. This substitution method and elimination method has already uploaded on our channel. Please see our previous videos. In this video we will start our next questions of the next exercise. So question is given to be solve the equation. This equation is given 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. These two equations are given. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. This is the first equation, and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. This is the second equation. You have to solve these two equations by any method, by substitution or by elimination, and then you have to find the value of y from this. By solving these two equations by any method, you can calculate the values of x and y, and then put that values of x and y in the equation y is equals to mx plus c, from which you have to calculate the value of m. So from we can calculate it by substitution method, by using substitution. From equation 2 you can calculate the value of any x or y, any variable you can calculate the value of x or y. I am calculating the value of the x, that is 2x is equals equation star in equation 1. You have to calculate any value of any variable from any of the equations and then put into the another equation to calculate the value of the another variable. So we will put the value of x in the equation 1, that is 2 minus of 12 plus 2y plus 3y is equals to 11. So minus 24 plus 4y plus 3y is equals to 11. This 4y plus 3y is equals to 7y, and 11 plus 24 will be 35, and value of y will be 5. Okay. So now we will put this value of y in equation star and calculate the value of x, which is equals to x is equals to minus 12 plus 2 multiplied by y, that is 5, that is x is equals to minus 12 plus 10 plus minus x is equals to minus of 2. The value will be minus of 2. Now the equation is given to be y is equals to mx plus 3. This equation is given. You have to put the values of x and y in this equation. Value of y will be 5. X is minus 2 plus 3. You have to calculate the value of m. So this is 5 minus 3, which is equals to minus 2m. Okay. 5 minus 3 is 2, which is minus 2m. M will be minus 1. So by doing any of the method, you can first of all calculate the values of x and y and then calculate the value of m. Now the next question is given to be the difference between the numbers is given to be 26 and one number is 3 times the other, and find them. In this question you are not given the numbers, you have to find out the numbers, but the difference is given and the multiple is given. So in this question you have to solve the difference between the numbers. That means you are given two numbers and the difference is 26. Suppose let first number be x and second number be y. So we are doing the chapter linear equation in two variables. So first number is x and second number is y. So according to the question, the difference between the two numbers, these are the two numbers and the difference is x minus y is given to be 26, and one number is 3 times the other. You are not given first number or the second number is thrice the other, just you are given one number is 3 times the other. So let us suppose x is equals to 3 times y. So these two equations are given to you and you have to calculate the values of x and y. From this equation you have already calculated the value of x. Put value of x in equation 1. So by putting the value of x is 3y minus y is equals to 26. 3y minus y is 2y is equals to 26. So y will be 13. You have calculated the value of y. Now put the value of y in equation second. In equation second. So by putting the value of y in equation second, x is equals to 3 multiplied by 13, that is x is equals to 39. So you can easily calculate the values of x and y. So the next question is given to be the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees and find. So in this question, the larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is equal to 180 degrees. There are two angles. So two two angles, sum of two angles is equal to the 180 degree. So that are called the supplementary angles. And the question here is given the larger of two supplementary angles. Means one angle is larger and other is smaller. So it may be 80 plus 100 degrees. One angle is larger, one is smaller. It may be of the form, but you are not given here the angle is which angle is given. So let us suppose let first angle be x and second angle be given y. According to the question, supplementary angles are those angles whose sum are equal to 180 degree. So first equation will be x plus y is equals to 180 degree. And according to the larger of two supplementary, we are not given x and we are not given here which angle is larger, x is larger or y is larger. It may be any angle. So second equation will be exceeds means the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 180 degree. Means the difference between the two angles is equals to 18 degrees. Means one angle is greater and other is smaller, and the gap between the larger and the smaller is equals to 18 degrees. So the equation will be x is equals to y minus 18 degrees. This is the second equation. From the second equation you have already calculated the value of x. Now put that value of x in equation 1. Put in equation 1 value of x is y minus 18 plus y. This y plus y is equals to 2y, and this 180 plus 18, 2y is equals to 198 degrees. So y will be equal to 99 degrees. Now put that value of y in equation second will be, you can easily calculate the value of x. Y is 99 degrees minus 18 degrees. X will be equal to, the value of x is equals to 9 minus 8 is 1 and 9 minus 1 is 8.